Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be making my fluffy dessert. Now the main ingredients are eggs. You're going to need 12 eggs. Now I'm separating the egg yolks from the egg whites. You're primarily going to be using the egg whites. I'm going to set the egg yolks aside. I will use them for a different ingredient. You're going to want to beat the egg whites for around half an hour and add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Here I'm spraying my cake pan with non-stick grease. And once your eggs have become really puffy or fluffy, you're going to put them in your cake pan. And then you're going to put it in a pot that's a little bit larger than the cake pan and put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 30 minutes. And then you're just going to want to flip your cake pan and you're going to have a delicious dessert inside. This is a delicious dessert and you can have it with your coffee, your tea. It's honestly amazing.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make it thumbs up, like, subscribe. Bye!